Good morning, children. Thank you. Children, do you know what is a polygon? Any student? Okay, no problem. I am telling you a polygon. First I am explaining you what is a polygon. Polygon is a closed figure having 3 or more than 3 sides. That is called polygon. Here I have written already, a closed figure have 3 or more than 3 sides in a plane is called a polygon. Example of the polygon like triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, etc. They are the polygons because they have 3 or more than 3 sides. So this is a quadrilateral, this is a polygon. Now the quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is also a polygon in which 4 sides are there and 4 angles are there. Proper is definition: a closed figure have 4 sides and 4 angles is called a quadrilateral. In diagram, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Now I am coming on one more term, that is regular polygon. Regular polygon, what is it? A closed figure have equal sides of same length and equal angles of same measurement is called regular polygon. Example: equilateral triangle, square, regular, pentagon. Equilateral triangle means like 3 sides are equal and each angle also equal. That's why it is a regular polygon. Similarly, square, you know square? Square have 4 sides and they are equal. 4 angles, each angle of 90 degree. That's why it is regular polygon. Yes, next is regular pentagon. Simple pentagon means a closed figure have 5 sides. But if we say regular pentagon means 5 sides are there, but their lengths are same and all 5 angles also have the same measurement. So it is called regular pentagon. Then diagonals. What are the diagonals? In polygons, a line segment joins 2 opposite vertex. A line segment which joins 2 opposite vertex is called a diagonal. In diagram here, suppose this A, B, C, D, it is a quadrilateral. In this, AC are opposite vertices and BD also opposite vertices. If we join A to C and B to D, then AC and BD are diagonals. Similarly, this is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. 5 vertices are there. A, B, C, D, E. When we join A to D, A to C, because they are opposite vertices of vertex A. So here AC and AD, they are diagonals. B, vertex B, its opposite vertices are E and D. So B, E or BD, they are diagonals. So what are the diagonals? Diagonals, a line segment joins opposite vertices of any polygon is called a diagonal. So this is about diagonals. Next, sum of interior angles of a polygon. Sum of interior angles of a polygon. So this property you know already, you have studied in 7th class. The sum of interior angle of triangle is 180. Angle A, angle B, angle C, its sum is 180. Similarly, this is a quadrilateral. Its sum is always, any type of the quadrilateral, the sum of interior angle of the quadrilateral is always 360. This is pentagon. The sum of interior angles of this pentagon is 540. इसको हम इस टाइप से भी समझ सकते हैं. सपोज इसको हम, दिस पेंटागन को हमने ट्रायंगल और क्वाड्रिलेटरल में डिवाइड कर दिया. सो दिस वन ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, इसके इंटीरियर एंगल का सम हो गया 180. अनदर क्वाड्रिलेटरल ए सी डी, क्वाड्रिलेटरल के इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम होता है 360. तो 360 प्लस 180, इट इज आल्सो 540. सो द सम ऑफ interior angles of a pentagon is 540. But suppose पॉलीगॉन में 100 साइड्स हैं, देन 100 एंगल्स होंगे, तो उन 100 एंगल्स का सम कितना आएगा? या सपोज अ पॉलीगॉन हैव 60 साइड्स, 60 साइड में 60 एंगल्स होंगे, उसका सम कितना आएगा? वी कैन नॉट लर्न, we cannot find it. So far that there is a common formula to find out the sum of interior angles of a polygon. It is one formula. Sum of interior angles of any polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. Then what is n? Here n is the number of sides. अगर आपको पॉलीगॉन की साइड्स मालूम हो तो उस पॉलीगॉन के जो इंटीरियर एंगल्स होते हैं उनका सम भी आप इस फार्मूला से फाइंड कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द पॉइंट, सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स. देन व्हाट विल बी द सम ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल? दैट मे बी क्वेश्चन इन योर माइंड. सो हियर जस्ट आई एम गिविंग वन आइडिया. BC को हमने प्रोड्यूस किया, CD को प्रोड्यूस किया, DA को प्रोड्यूस किया और AD को प्रोड्यूस किया. When we produce 4 sides of quadrilateral, we get 4 exterior angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 exterior angle. They are 4 exterior angle of a quadrilateral. So their sum is 360. But this is not condition only for quadrilateral. 360 is the sum of exterior angles of any type of the polygon. A sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. कोई भी पॉलीगॉन है, अगर 10 साइड्स भी हैं उसमें, तब भी उसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स का सम 360 होगा. सो दीज आर फंडामेंटल डिटेल्स, आइडियाज, डेफिनेशंस for this chapter, understanding quadrilaterals. Related this chapter, I have already sent you one note. In that, one exercise already done by me. You go through that exercise and revise that exercise, and in my next class I will start second exercise of this chapter, understanding quadrilateral. Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you.